What's up mga quiz, mga ates? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Alan. Ano yung papanoorin natin? Yung full performance ni Loreen. Siya yung champion sa recently concluded na Eurovision 2023. At ang papanoorin natin yung kanta niya, which has a title na Tattoo. So, hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa. Papanoorin natin yung video and later PTV my reaction and opinion on it. So, let's go!
It's time. That's it. That's it. It's not the end. It comes late when you find a way out. Violent pain and need you crying. I've been
Alright, there you go. We saw the performance of Loreen of Sweden, and she performed the song Loreen Tattoo. I'm sorry for that. Tattoo, which won the new Eurovision 2023, and I could say this is one of the best songs, best song entry in Eurovision 2023, and I love the song. And if you listen carefully, and for me, I saw the lyric video, the lyric of the song, and it's really painful. It's about a person longing for love from someone that she loved. Diba? So ganun, yung parang wala akong pakialam sa kung sino man, basta ang akin mahal, ikaw ang importante sa akin, something like that. And it's painful if you listen to it, but it's pero ang sarap pakinggan pa rin. Kahit painful yung song, pero ang sarap, nakakagaan ng loob, and I love the rhythm, I love the of the whole song. Dinala niya tayo. Yung emotion also of Loreen's performance brought us to doon sa mismong scene, yung parang yung kinakanta niya, diba? So, ang galing. And this is what I like about mga singers, na kaya niyang tahin tayo doon sa emotions na nararamdaman niya, diba? While she was singing the song. So, kaya ang daling pakinggan, ang daling i-capture yung song. And yun, so far this is the best song I've ever heard also among the Eurovision entries. So I really like it. I hope this song after winning the Eurovision 2023 will become a viral on social media, especially on TikTok and YouTube, diba? Because this song, how you call it, deserve recognition from other countries, not only in Europe, not only in Australia, but also in Asia and in the North and South America, because this one is really beautiful song. So I can recommend it to everyone to listen to it, because it's a very powerful song. And also, this win of Loreen in Eurovision 2023 is her second time. She has already won a Eurovision back in 2012, if I'm not mistaken. She won the song. She won that year with the song Euphoria, which I could say my most favorite song of her. I like this tattoo, but I don't know. There's something about Euphoria that. Tattoo, it's like Tattoo song is actually, it's like common song compared to Euphoria, but nonetheless, still both songs are great and well written and well performed by Loreen. And so there you go. So I hope that you enjoyed the performance of Loreen. You enjoyed the song of Loreen, and this is definitely a great year for Eurovision, because they were able to choose the right song. And kung you followed or you have watched the Eurovision 2023, the runner-up, Cha 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 from Finland, yeah, it's a very popular song among the Europeans or the viewers in Europe, but I could say it is less, for me, it's not great as Tattoo by Loreen. So good job for all the fans who voted for Tattoo, because I could say this is the best song and it deserves your votes and the win. So there. So guys, what is your thoughts about the performance or the song, the winning song in Eurovision 2023 titled Tattoo by Loreen from Sweden? And by the way, Loreen's win in Eurovision 2023 is the 7th title for Sweden. So Sweden is getting ahead already among the European countries, because they have 7 wins. So again, what is your thoughts? Did you like the song Tattoo by Loreen? Please comment below, and I'll there. And if you like my opinion and reaction regarding the song Tattoo, please comment below, and I will try to read and to answer back if I needed to. So yon. So thank you very much. Have a nice day to all. And before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Taalan Special, Proudly Bromley Vlogs, Tamatlang People Presents, and ang Pinoy Talaga channel. So bye bye.